Hello there, today I show you my acrylic canvas realistic painting, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result, you can see it is very professional and our hidden formula and our hidden resource. This is your original photo and you can make the brush, the position focus, and this is the result and this is the view. You can control everything, you can change everything, you can custom every layer. Is freehand and you can decorate your photo with you can use the masking point or you can use full of area like this full area your photo. So it's very user friendly and perfect to replace your original background. See what is this is the color canvas color added by your background, original background. See, it is very professional animal looking after and before. Watch it and you can make it the multicolor option, but you need to watch this video full, then you understand how to make the full colorful looking your photo. This is the another looking and see, this is the looking. See, the full image is very high quality result. Is our newer gift for everyone, this hidden formula and the awesome looking. Watch it after and before, and another one, and this is our presentation. Watch it, the photo, and you can make the dark color and faded color also. See the portrait looking smartly presented, and the color. See, if your photo is colorful, then it's look like extra more colorful. Okay, now I show you how to use and custom. First, go my download file. There is acrylic canvas realistic action file and brush file, help file, pattern file. You can read the help file. There is our supported support information include mention any kind of need help and support and action make trouble. Sometimes some people are not sure as it is, then action make the trouble, but action is okay. Need our using formula same as it is as I show, and there is the written format how to use. This is the pattern. Need to load first and brush. First load brush, you can select and double click your mouse, then it's load automatically. Same way you can load pattern or you can load manually. Go the brush section. I have closed everything. Go window and the brush section, click. Now brush is show and go this option and input the brush and find out my download file, main file. Go there and there is show only brush file, AVR format. Select and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. Now I want to load pattern. Go window and the pattern option, click and click this option, input pattern. Now I have find out my file, double click there and find out my main file, and there is show pattern file. Select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Go window, action option, click. Maybe show the right side any of place, you just need to find it, action, and go this option and load button, click. Find out my download file there and select, load button, click. Up and down option, this is the folder and this is the script. Now we want to load our photo. You can use any type of photo and any high resolution and some of size I have mentioned my help file. You can check out this. First time I use this one and give you some extra tricks, so watch it perfectly. If your photo is not enough space for left, right or top and bottom side, you need to make size first, otherwise our brushing work not show the outside. That's why need it. If you do not need this, you can do not do this. So I make the size first. Okay, if I make the size, there is the white color show, so I need to replace the color. Select the brush tool and I have picker tool, pick the color, any of pick color. If multicolor show there, you can pick any of color. Then I have brushed the area, white area. Okay, now I side brush, just remove the border white border. Okay, now I have select right picker, like pick and color replace there, see, and I okay. Make sure you do the background layer. Your photo is a log icon show and background layer is name is background layer. Sometimes some photo look like layer 0 png format, like this one png format, that is not accept the action. You need to fix it first. How to fix? Right button, click your mouse and fit an image. Now it's set a log background layer. Okay, and make sure your photo panel option is as it is. My setting is small, entire, and use default, expand, add copy, all as it is my setup. Okay, now make sure your photo is RGB color mode. If not, go image mode, RGB color, and photo is JPG mode. Okay, now I have you can use pen tool, brush tool, of any of other tool, and as your choice, but I recommend use my as it is. It save your time. Quick selection tool, select quick selection tool, select, then there is show select subject button. Quick selection tool, select, then there select subject button show, and click the select subject button. Now your photo focus point is automatically selection. Okay, and you can work there side area in masking point. Okay, and create a new layer and double click new layer, text option, type there brush, all are small letter, spelling is BRUSH, semi spelling, and click the other space. Do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, uppercase, lowercase, mix up letter, only lowercase. Do not include any other character, and click any of light color and pin bucket tool, and I have select the brush layer. Make sure, and I have fill up my selection mode. See, selection mode is show, and I have fill up it, but we want to deselect first, then apply the script, otherwise make the error result action. Go selection and the deselect option. Now is deselect. If you think use the sum of area brushing, you just select the brush tool and brush the area, but you make sure you brush the brush layer. Okay, select the brush layer, and I have fill up it if any area is mistake. Now I think is perfect, and I have select this one, not the folder, this one, wall in on, play action, play me. Hit the play button and start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. Our script is fully editable and is work perfectly, and result is very professional. And our hidden resource, you can use any high resolution image or any type of image, your portrait, animal or dog painting or puppy painting or bird painting or house painting, any type, your any photography, you can use this script and composition perfectly set up. And I show you how to the custom and get the more result, and freehand work is very usable. And hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom. This is the finishing default message. Okay, now stop. Okay, our result is finished. You can watch it now. Then I show you how to custom. This is the default setup. You can set up yourself everything. Watch it. The background is perfectly nice and canvas is show. This is the layer option. You can find out the layer, go window and the layer click. Okay, then this is show. I have make it bigger for better understanding purpose, everything. This is the top option. There I have top added the extra option. So if you need to more sharp, the view the your focus point, you just select the this marks and selection option this. See, watch it, the photo view one, try it, brush here. Select the black mask point and the brush tool. Now you can brush the eye point. This is if your photo foreground color is black, then there is the remove, and you can add it white option and is add. Okay, undo. I have make it professionally. See, you can use any of area and make it very easily, add it very easily. Okay, it's nice. I think it's perfect for me. I just want to the face area perfectly, and others area is okay. In the I think this area need to little touch up. Okay, and now there is the another option. See, if you use this one, this is the elastic looking another one, and if you hide this one, this is the canvas looking, this is the elastic style in sharp looking, and there is the another effect looking. See, and you can try everything and uncheck layer. See, there is the white point, a white splash, and check out this one and select this marks point, and you can remove. If not the remove white color, then you need to back color. Switch the back color and brush. Make sure you brush the marks point. See, you can remove any of area. Which area do not need to show this spark option, so just remove. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now there is the another spark. See, I do not need this time. This is the extra ink splash. The backs option, the little work there. See, little work there, so it's okay. And this is the another option, the shading purpose, the photo shading work. Select and marks some of area. There is the shading. Watch it carefully. See, then you can understand where is it work. And paper module, this is the another dark paper module, and there is the another canvas paper style. This is the paper style, and this is the canvas style, and another. See, this is the canvas looking, and canvas looking, you can fix it. This is the extra color added. See your photo, extra color added, and this is the shaded, and this layer is all are default, and there is the another back option. Just watch it, little change. Now I introducing the top option of photo view 1. Okay, extra photo effect 2. This is the extra looking. Just watch it. Okay, you can use this, and there is the setup. Okay, see. Now this is the another canvas style. See, your photo is now another canvas highlighted style, and if you want, you can use. This is the adjustment. You can double click it and make the adjustment perfectly. See, but this time I think I do not need this. Click this one and check out this one. This is the dark module. You can use this one and use this adjustment, then you can make the perfect. So is think yourself, you can combine effect. I do not need this time this one. This is the photo real print color. So select the marks, and you can make the sharp. See the outside area, then the see how it look show. See, okay, and you need to this area elastic only, so you can use this area brushing is removing. Okay, see, and I think this is areas work. Now I have hide this one. I just show you. This is the extra color, and another black stroke. See, there is the black looking, and another black looking, and there is the adjustment. You can check out all adjustment. I have give it some adjustment and color combination. See the color, faded, shaded color, another color combination, another, and another. You can combine the dual or triple color. See, another color, and black and white color available. See, black and white version, and there is the color changing option. There is the full change of your color photo color. Double click this option, you can change very easily color by one click. I have hide this one, and another color changer option. Double click this one, and you can change, move it and change the color, overall color changing. If you use this one and use the photo, then back color is then, but I do not recommend this one. This is the perfect. Okay, I just show you the big, see my monitor, HD looking, and all materials is perfect, fully professional. And now I show you another photo, just watch it how is work and look like this baby photo. Okay, I have changed the size 300 pixel for my time saving purpose. You can use any of size, that is your choice. Quick selection tool, select subject button, click and click. Just wait and see. Brush, pen bucket tool, and fill up it, deselection, and I want to play my script. Okay, it's working. And now I show you the surprise. There is our surprising, our on site, and our all products sell. We have many marketplace in creative market, graphics river, inverter market, design bundle, design card, and every of market. But this is the our site, and we have offered this new year flash sale. Our maximum product is there for flash sale discount, 80% discount going on. See, the price is only 1.8, but same product you can purchase, see, in a high price in other market. But we recommend, this is the limited time offer, you can buy there in discount product, discount price available. You can purchase, you can download free file, the free section, all item free. Check out, there is all item are free, as premium item free. There is all are premium but free now. Bundle, check out the bundle option. Bundle is discount 80%. Discount, then discount, double discount there. See, only for. So is going on. Visit now our site photoshopaction.net, or I have a link up my description. Check out my description. Okay, my work is finished. Okay, see the result and quality. Is quality is very professional. I just add the color. See, extra color added, and now is very colorful. Budget. And if you need your photo touch up, it's very simple. There, select the max point, and you can, top color is white. See, it's finished, and it's nice, very nice and fully professional. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message my profile and our help line, MRI Studio Facebook fan page, and our WhatsApp number. We have mentioned our help file and description in this video. Happy New Year.